We'll guide you through how to create an Asana Kanban board. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Asana's website. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the plus button or the Create New Project option, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your project. Enter a relevant name that reflects the purpose of your Kanban board. After naming your project, you'll see options for different project templates. Here, select the board view. This is Asana's version of a Kanban board. Now, your Kanban board is set up, and you can start adding columns or what Asana calls sections. These could be things like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Click on Add Section to create each one. Once your sections are in place, you can start adding tasks under each section. Click the Add Task button to do this. Enter the task name and any details you need for context. You can also assign tasks to team members by clicking on the Assignee field, setting due dates, and even adding attachments or comments for more information. As you or your team members progress with tasks, simply drag and drop them between sections to update their status. This visual workflow helps you keep track of what's happening at a glance. And there you have it. Your Asana Kanban board is all set up and ready to streamline your project management. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.